Today I'm sitting in a chair. All right, so it's a pleasure again to come your way with another video. So you welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is multi-skilled electrician, and guess what? I am at some kind of milestone in my YouTube journey that I'm now over 1,000 subscribers. That's I think 1,100 subscribers now. I can see 1.01k. Yeah, so that's about 1,100 subscribers. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, those who continue to even um, engage on my YouTube channel, those who smash the like button on my videos, who comment, and those who also do share. From my analytics, I can get to see that some people share. You don't get to see those people, but I can see that there are some kind of share people who share my videos to other platforms or to some other people. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I didn't even know that it will come to a day that I'll get to this 1,000 subscribers. So I know it's going to shoot up very soon, and I really appreciate it. Okay, so today I always this what or one thing that I always want to do. I always want to talk about our electrician life. I always want to encourage or talk to the young ones who are coming into the trade, that is the electrical field. I always want to share my knowledge and experience with other colleagues, that is fellow electricians in the field, and stuff like that. You know, when it comes to experience, when it comes to knowledge, it's something that we can learn from different angles or different sources. So I kind of do that. Okay, so today we are talking about electrician life. Okay, so we all live a normal life. We are human beings. We are not different from doctors, nurses, teachers, engineers, pastors, etc. We all live in a country. For example, we live in Ghana. We pay taxes, we buy food, we buy clothes, we pay utility bills, and a whole lot of stuff. Yeah, so we also live as human beings, but is our life are we excluded from challenges in life? No, we are not excluded from challenges in life. Challenges like sicknesses, issues, family issues, day-to-day issues, relationship issues, financial issues, and a whole lot. So as human beings, and specifically as electricians, I want to encourage my fellow tradesmen to plan their life so that they wouldn't be in a messy situation. Because for myself, I always want to know, I always remind myself that I am an African. I live in Ghana, a country that the government doesn't recognize citizens. Because if the government of Ghana recognized citizens, we wouldn't be here today. Okay, so there's a reason why I'm saying that the government of Ghana doesn't or do not recognize citizens. The reason is that we heard about health insurance, national health insurance. It's a UK thing, and these politicians, they are learned people. So one of these politicians came to introduced this policy here, and it's a total mess. It's a total mess. The reason why I'm saying it's a total mess is whatever that we buy in this country, we pay taxes on that specific health insurance that I'm talking. So whether you are a card holder of national health insurance, that is, whether you have officially registered for health insurance service or not, you pay taxes, you pay money to the service. So why is it that as human beings, as Ghanaians, we don't get to even enjoy it? Okay, so I'm going to say these things because just within 1 month, there are so many things that has happened in my life that I want to share with other electricians so that they will plan. So when they get to this place or that situation, I know either way it will come our way. The thing is, in Africa, I don't know about the Westerners, but in Africa, when you are a child, when you are born into a family, you have some kind of a responsibility towards even the external and your nuclear family. Okay, so I was born by a woman and a man, so automatically in Africa, that is our culture, our way of life. We are responsible for our parents. They were responsible for us. I didn't take myself to school. They did that. So it's a kind of appreciation. So I also have to take care of them. And so the reason why I'm saying this is that just within 1 month, all my savings were wiped away. All my savings, that's over 2 years savings. It's all just within 1 month. It's just happened in just 1 month. But that's my mom. Okay, so my mom got sick in early June. That's just last month, early June. She was admitted at the hospital, and just within about 27 days, all my savings are gone. Yeah, savings up to like that's over 18,000 Ghana cedis. Everything is gone. But my mom, I always make sure that I pay or I renew her health insurance. But when she got sick, everything came back to her children. We were responsible for everything. And when we were in the hospital, almost everything, I think, except a few things, may probably folder. What is a folder? Folder is not anything expensive that one should be covered or must be covered by uh, a health insurance service, and that's medicines that a human being needs to uh, live is not covered. So you see what I'm saying? They were able to know that, or when they traveled to the UK, they got to know that there's a good policy there that is kind of helping all the citizens in that UK. They brought it here, and it's a mess. So this health insurance thing is it's just cover, just that it will save you some kind of time when it gets to when you go to the hospital and you are going to get a folder or a card. I don't even know if it covers card, because when it happened, I wasn't there. My junior brother was in charge, but we were paying a whole lot of money. And like I said, from, let's say, the 1st of June to 27th of June, when my mom passed on, all our savings, that's over 18,000 Ghana cedis, is gone. But she is a health insurance card holder, or she is on the Ghana Health Insurance Service. So you see, it's crazy, right? So as electricians, how do we plan our life? For me personally, I plan my life, but my mom is her own, she is also an adult. I was making sure that I always pay or I always renew because it's a 12 month, and every 12 months you have to renew the card. So I was making sure that every 12 months or prior to getting expired, I will renew it because I know these kinds of things. So she will have easy access to healthcare. And so as a child, I made sure that I always renew it for her and stuff like that. And as an electrician, you don't earn much in this country. You don't earn much. You are not rich. Just that you are trying to make a living for yourself. You are not rich, so you really need to plan your life. Actually, this event has actually taught me a whole lot of lessons that when you are making money, you have to save. So I one of the days I asked myself, so if I were not saving, that's over 2 years savings that is gone. So if I were not saving in these 2 years, what could have happened to me? Meaning I could have dumped my mom in the hospital and run away, or I could have just gave up on her. But I stood by her. That's through 1st of June throughout to 27th of June 2024 when she passed away. But the lesson that I want other electricians to know is that um, we need to plan our life. Yeah, like I said, um, I understand these things, so I actually subscribe to an insurance policy. I'm yet to benefit from that. Actually, I'm the main yeah, the main thing here, and my mom is just a life covered. So um, I'm going to give you an update on that. I'm doing this video specifically to alert you that if you are in Ghana, if you are born an African, especially in Ghana, you need to plan, you need to save for uh, some days that you don't even have it in your mind. I in this 2024, I didn't imagine myself being in this situation. But as human beings, there are things that we don't know the future. And that is why we plan today. And so when I was every time I was renewing, or I was resubscribing to the health insurance service for my mother, I was planning for the future. Though that service didn't help much because we ended up emptying our savings. That's over 18,000 Ghana cedis. But it's kind of helped in the folder thing, and let's say the hospital card, and also some few that's the less expensive medication, malaria medication and stuff that when she was attending hospitals, she will get access to. But apart from that, there are, I don't know if it covers some lab input, but lab scan, when it comes to serious medication, all these things, it falls on you as a Ghanaian. So as human beings, as electricians, how are we planning our life? I made sure that my mom had her health insurance card intact. So if like it wasn't intact, it was going to be a messy one as well. And the kind of throw, the kind of attitude that will even come from health professionals will be something crazy. Even with these things intact, the kind of attitude that came from health professionals, it was just pathetic. I wouldn't want to talk about that because as an electrician that I deal with clients, I don't treat my clients as trash. But these health workers, when we were in the hospital from the 1st of June to the 27th of June 2024, it was very sad moment. The way they talk to us and stuff like this wasn't a situation that when they were demanding for money for medication and stuff, we weren't paying. We were paying because um we wanted our parents back. But it's a system that has actually failed us, and also it's a system that takes money away from us, but it doesn't give us any value for our money. So this is what I want to share with you as an electrician. Though I'm yet to benefit from the My Way insurance that I subscribe to it. Though if I'm able to if I get it as they told me and I subscribe to it, I'm coming back with a video, and I'll even probably put out the short code or the number for that specific policy. And as fellow electricians or colleagues in the trade, you can also subscribe to that My Way service or My Way insurance. But for now, I'm in doubt because I've heard so many stories about insurance policy in Ghana. So I'm yet to experience mine. I subscribed to that specific policy that's over 2 years ago, and I have been consistent with that insurance policy. I have never for once um, defaulted in paying uh, that insurance policy. It's paid through mobile money, so I always make sure that they actually, when it's about 3 days to make payments for the insurance, they will send a reminder, a text message reminder. So even if I don't have money on my Momo wallet or account at that time, I always make sure that I put funds on it so that I'll be able to. So I've for the past 2 years I've paid this service. So I'm waiting because right now we've emptied all our savings. So we are waiting for this insurance. We want to see if this is going to give us the helping hand that it promised us that it will give uh, in our difficult times. So as electrician, one thing you can do is you can subscribe to an insurance service or insurance policy that you'll be consistent with. You wouldn't be swerving or dodging payment. You have to be consistent with it. You have to pay the premium on it, so that when something happens to you personally or your loved one that you will use as a life insured, you'll be able to have some kind of cushion in that very moment. And so this will be a video to share my experience about relatives in Ghana in health care, and also to share with you that as an electrician you don't earn much, but try as much as possible to buy uh, an insurance policy. And my next video will be when finally, if I hear from My Way insurance, I will come back with a video to update you so that you can also subscribe to this very service. So once again, I want to say thank you, and a very special thank you to Mr. Lucas for yesterday. And also one more thing, just a moment. And this also a gift from one of my clients. Actually, I wanted to buy it, but she was coming from the States and she bought it for me with no charge. So this an electric screwdriver, so you just charge it and you are good to go. So a special thanks to Madam Ifia or Madam Samuela. I thank you so much. I'm much appreciated. I really appreciate this electric screwdriver, and that it's, and also thank you so much to Mr. Lucas for yesterday. It was a really it came at the right time, and it's really relieved me and also helped me to be able to do my errands. Okay, so I'm gonna come back with an updates on this video, so that'll be very shortly. Thank you. Have a great weekend.